Hey guys, so we have a taste test for you guys today, and it is going to be fall items from the Dollar Tree. Some of it is fall, like Fall Selects Taffy and Werther's Original Caramel Apple Filled Candies and Spiced Apple Cider, but some of it is just like apples are fall related, you know? So I picked up these because I've never had them. They're the Welch's Apple Chips. I picked up Tastykake Apple Pie because nothing screams
it's fall
like apple pie, and pumpkin seeds. I've never had these, so. And then we also picked up these, but now that I'm looking at them, I don't think there's anything special to these. They're just in Halloween-y fall packaging. So,
did you say these?
Yeah. So we're gonna try these for your pleasure and let you guys know if you should seek them out yourself or pass on them. I don't eat green apples, so this is gonna be interesting.
Green apples are my favorite. And everyone complains I smell things, and I'm weird.
I smell everything.
I know. It's part of your senses.
I want a smaller one.
I'll take that.
This is what they look like. How are they? I hate green apples.
Really?
I really don't like green apples. Now, red apples, I might be here for.
Might.
There's a possibility. They're just like sweeter. I don't like.
These weren't even
tangy.
sour.
Tangy. I don't like either.
Yeah, I don't like these.
To me, they taste chemically.
Really? What does it say?
Ingredients.
I don't like those.
Apples.
Wow, really?
I give the green apples a 1 out of 5.
5 out of 5. I like these because I like green apples.
I'll give these 2 out of 5.
I will also give those 2 out of 5.
Just because they're like, if I had to eat these, I could. Do I want to eat them for my pleasure? No. All right. Let's break it up and do a little pumpkin seed action. These are David's pumpkin seeds, roasted and lightly salted, all natural. I can't even tell you the last time I had a pumpkin seed. I remember growing up though, I remember growing up, we used to pull them out of the pumpkins and then roast them ourselves. So, yeah.
Tastes like popcorn.
I'm here for that.
They got a little soggy in my mouth though.
Yeah, really quick.
I'm affecting my teeth.
Yeah.
They're good though.
I don't know what it's been lately, but I've really been liking salty things. I know, they came out really quick.
Oops.
I've really been liking salty things a lot more than like sugary things lately, so I'm definitely here for that, yeah.
Okay, I would give these a 4 out of 5.
I'd give those a 4 out of 5 too. They're good.
But like they got stuck in my teeth and they got soggy.
Yeah. Personal preference knocked them down a bit. Now we're gonna try the Werther's Original Caramel Apple Filled Hard Candies. Ooh, these might take a while to eat.
We're just stuck on
So this is a classic hard caramel candy with a creamy apple filling. Old world recipe. Yeah. So this is what they look like. I love the butterscotch suckers they have.
I hate butterscotch.
Love butterscotch. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Honestly, I love caramel. I should put in that 1 eternity later.
1 eternity later.
Oh, can we bite into these? Oh. Ugh, very sticky. Okay, on to the apple filling. I like the outside.
Not bad.
Are these what those lollipops taste like that everybody loves?
The lollipops are better.
I really like the outside. I feel like you can't go wrong with caramel candy, but the apple filling,
Oh.
it
messes it up.
was really appley.
But
If
it
you,
tasted fake, kind of.
yeah. And it also tastes like a green apple, not a red apple.
They don't make.
I don't know.
Do you make caramel apples with red apples?
I don't know. I've never actually had a caramel apple. Can you do that? Can you make caramel apples with red apples?
Comment down below.
I feel like you could if you wanted to, I think. You're just dipping it in caramel. Anyhow, yeah, I don't know. I feel like these would be like something fun to try if you wanted to. They're not absolutely horrible, and if you like, probably if you like caramel apples, you might like this, besides the fact that the caramel tastes a little chemical-y.
Yeah.
So, wait, I'd give those
1 out of 5.
a 3 out of 5 because I like the outside, but I would eat the outside, then when it got to the apple, I'd spit it out.
Then just get regular caramel.
Yep. We have, I've always wondered about these,
Me too.
Tasty Cake glazed apple pies. Oh, and it's glazed?
If we warm it up, will it taste like McDonald's?
Be right back. Okay, we're back with you guys. We have nuked it for 25 seconds, so I can feel like the heat on the bottom. It smells like a fried donut. This is what it looks like. The glaze came off a little bit. It was stuck to the packaging. Not a lot of apple, just a lot of like the pie filling. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Truthfully, tastes just like McDonald's. There's not a lot of apple in here. I can't remember the last time I had one from McDonald's. I can't remember if there was like a lot of apple chunks in it. But this is like very good.
I would get it again.
I didn't expect it to be this good. I low-key want to finish eating it, but like,
I know.
we have so much stuff.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 for sure. When we were in the kitchen heating up the apple pie, Allie also noticed I had this that we were going to include in this. I just forgot to show it in the very beginning, but it is the Pie Favorites candy corn. So it's apple pie and pumpkin pie flavored candy corn by Brock's. How do you say that? Brax?
Brock.
Brock.
Wait, so how do you know which one is
The
which?
brown one is
Pumpkin?
apple. Oh. No, I would think orange is pumpkin, brown's apple.
Well,
So this is what it looks like. All right, first we shall try apple. Looks like this. Probably can't
Is it
smell
apple or
anything.
pumpkin though? That was apple. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Not really.
Not really either.
Ooh, it tastes like a candle when you like breathe out.
Ew, it really does taste like a candle.
Pumpkin next. Oh no. Everything is coming out so fast.
I'm just like hecka unsure about. I feel like I just licked a candle.
I know.
Like I feel like I went in Bath and Body Works.
I licked.
It smells, no, it tastes how a Bath and Body Works apple pie candle smells.
Yeah, you said
Not
it right.
pleasant. Okay, so this one is our pumpkin. I'm real nervous about this one.
That one's not that bad.
Do you like that one?
Better than the apple.
I still think it tastes like a candle.
Yeah.
Like in the beginning it tastes like a candy corn. Then you can taste the pumpkin. And then like the spice comes in at the last moment.
Oh wow, yeah.
That's how it, well, I'm chewing it also very slow, which was probably a bad idea. I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 5. I was able to eat it and swallow it. Did I spit out the first one? Yeah, I did.
I'll give it a 2 out of 5 because I ate it.
I'm gonna give it a 1.5 out of 5. If someone had it at their house, I'd try it. I'd eat it. It's intriguing. I think it's more novelty than it is good.
That apple pie was so good. Not that.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna break that up with these. I'm not sure if the crunch on this,
I don't know
what it is.
Oh.
I don't really like coconut, so I'm hoping that's not what it is, but oh. Ooh. That smells
Oh no,
fall.
that smells coconutty.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it does.
Ew. Oh yeah, it does.
Dang it.
Still gonna try it. It's not that like coconut repulses me, it's just like coconut's not my
I
favorite.
just don't like the taste of coconut.
I like the taste of it, I don't like the texture of it.
That too.
It doesn't have the texture of coconut. It's crunchy. Like it's a strudel on the outside, but it's definitely not apple.
I don't think I like that.
I'm unsure how I feel about this. I feel like they're okay. I give it a 3 out of 5 because I literally don't know how I feel about it. It tastes like a vanilla donut rolled in some crunchies that have a small taste of coconut to them.
I'm gonna give it a 1.5 out of 5.
Next we have taffy. I'm not a huge taffy person. Like I don't ever really just eat taffy for fun. We have salted caramel, pumpkin spice, and caramel apple.
I like Laffy Taffy, that's the green apple flavor, and the strawberry flavor. I hate the banana, it tastes so big. Can we split one? What is it called? It's not horrible.
Oh, it's
melted.
gonna be, no, that's just taffy.
Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah. Taffy's such a blob. That looks spoopy. It feels like Play-Doh.
What is this one again?
Pumpkin spice. Just tastes like wax
Yeah.
with a little bit of like a pumpkin seasoning.
I don't like that.
I had a feeling I wasn't gonna like these.
It tastes like pumpkin spice, but like just don't put it in a taffy. That's nasty.
Ooh. It's got pumpkin. Oh, wait. Oh. This one's fancy. So this one is the caramel apple.
Oh.
And it has
How do you know
apple
what the
flavored
salted caramel one is?
with caramel in the middle. It should have some kind of like caramel on the wrapper. Wait, did we get shipped? What? Are these why they were at the Dollar Tree? I didn't even notice that. There's not one salted caramel in here. That actually makes me sad. How in the hell? I'm outraged.
You know the caramel's in the middle of that, right?
This one's actually not bad. It reminds me of Laffy Taffy. It's like identical.
That one's good.
All right, and the last thing that we're gonna try is spiced apple cider. I had apple cider for the first time last year.
Really?
When we went to go look at the Christmas lights down in St. Augustine. I had hot apple cider. So it says empty contents of pouch into a cup, fill with 6 to 8 ounces of water, stir quickly to dissolve. The pouches are cute. So this is what the pouch looks like.
Box.
I just thought it was gonna be like a little skinny pouch. This is actually like a lot of powder. Okay, I'm gonna go make this and we will be right back. Okay, so this is our last thing, and we've literally probably been sitting here for like 20 minutes trying to cool it down. It's not something I would go out of my way to have, but like if I was at a party and they had it like on tap or whatever, you know?
But that's none of my business.
I don't know. I think I give it like a 4 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
It's not bad.
Tastes like apple cider.
So that's everything that we have for fall related items from the Dollar Tree. We also went to Walmart today and got a huge amount of fall related items.
Stay
like basically
tuned. Pumpkin spice
everything.
We're white,
and
as you can tell.
apple pie. We got a couple different apple pie flavors. So definitely like this video if you're excited about our following taste test, which is going to be our Walmart fall food taste test. And then we also have Halloween candy that we have been gathering from the Dollar Tree. So that's going to be exciting too. Hit that thumbs up, turn my notifications on so you know when I post. Yeah, stay tuned for those other videos, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.